How to fix the error 0XC0000022. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on Windows R on your keyboard and type in regedit. After you type in, press on enter. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, expand H key local machine. After that, software. Then scroll down and you will find Microsoft, expand Microsoft. After Microsoft, scroll down and you will find Windows NT. Expand Windows NT and click on current version, as you will find current version below Windows NT. After you've clicked on current version, it will expand. And in here, scroll down again and search for software protection. After you click on software protection, you will find this kind of screen. On the right side, click on skip rearm. Right click on it, then click on modify, which is the first option in here. Then make sure your value data is 1 and then press on OK. After you do that, you're good to go. And this is how to fix the error 0XC0000022. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.